All right, we are starting a new project today. We're building a mini little picnic table for our kids. You may know, because we've talked about it before, that we are planning on redoing our entire backyard later this summer. So this will be a fun little addition once that is done. So Logan started today. He got these 2x4s a few days ago, and that's always a good idea to get your wood ahead of time so it has a chance to dry out. So he's got everything cut down according to the cut list, and we will of course be sharing the woodworking plans for this. So yeah. Alright, so we are making more progress on the kids' picnic table today. We are finally getting down to drilling pocket holes. So you can see marked up the placement here. Have you already started?
No.
Oh, okay. So
yeah, I just laid these out.
Okay.
I didn't know where to drill.
So I will set up a time lapse so you can kind of see how this works, but I also just recently published a super detailed guide all about how to set up your pocket hole jig. This is the K5 one we have from Craig. So I will link that blog post here so you guys can hop on over there and see how to use this thing. What do you think about the table?
Hi.
Do you like it?
Hi.
Daddy made that for you guys. It's a perfect size for you two, huh? And when your cousins come over, they can sit there with you? You like the table, huh? What do you say to Daddy?
Thanks, Daddy.
Oh.
Thanks, bud. Great job, Daddy. Thanks, bud.
So it turned out pretty good. One last thing we did is put on that middle piece right there. Just another extra support. But it looks great. We're not gonna seal it because we're using the teak oil, so it should kind of age naturally, and we can always reapply that oil next summer. So I love it. It's perfect size for our little one. So if you have kids older than this, ours are 4 and 2, you probably want to increase the measurements just a bit for older kids, but it's perfect for this like toddler preschool age. I think it's a big hit. If you loved this video, we would love to know. Be sure to hit that like button and let us know in the comments below. And then also be sure to subscribe while you're here and turn on your notifications so you can check out our next video. If you want to try to build this, don't forget that we're sharing the free woodworking plans. You can check out the link below. There's a full tutorial, lots more information, and of course, let us know if you have any questions.